Hi, RJ here, and thanks for tuning in to my Giveaway Profits review. As you see, I'm in the members area of Giveaway Profits, and I'm going to give you a full run through of what this product's all about, as well as discuss all of the high-powered bonuses that I put together specifically to help you get the most out of Giveaway Profits should you decide to buy via the link in the description of this YouTube video. Now, in a nutshell, Giveaway Profits is a product that's been put out by Glynn, and what he's allowing you to do for a one-time low cost is to pick up 3 of his highly converting softwares that you can then turn around and use as lead magnets. And if you drive traffic and give his products away for free, then any upsells that that person gets once they subscribe and sign up for that product, you're going to be able to get all of the OTOs and upsells straight to your bank account. Now, these products are going to be commission funnels, freebie commissions, and $300 per day CPA every day. Then I just want to show you on Warrior Plus, commission funnels here is they've sold over 2,000 copies. And there's over $500 that you can get inside that funnel. Funnel number 2 that he's going to give you is freebie commissions, which has sold over 1,000 copies on Warrior Plus, and there's over about $485 that you can get on this funnel. And then the third one that you're going to get, the $300 per day CPA every day, is going to be, they've sold over 10,000 copies of this product, and you can get over $255 in that funnel. So you can see the massive potential that you can get, and you're just going to give the front end away for free, and then anytime they upgrade or get presented the OTOs and buy, you're going to be the one earning those commissions. Super powerful because these are proven products that have already been known to sell very well. Now, if any of this sounds of interest to you, then stick with me through this video because I'm going to get into it. Now, again, all you got to do is click on the description. The link in the description of this YouTube video is going to take you over to my bonus page that looks like this. All you have to do is click on any of these pink buttons throughout my bonus page, and what it's going to do is it's going to redirect you over to the sales page, which looks like this. And let's look at the headline: how we earn over $500 plus from every day from every person we give a free gift to, and build a huge email list of hungry buyers at the same time. So you can see some of the features here. Exclusive giveaway system. Gets you paid simply by giving away done-for-you products for free. Multiple income streams. Profit by giving away premium products for free and build your list at the same time. 100% free viral traffic built into freebie system. 0 maintenance costs. No website or domain needed. Completely beginner-friendly with 0 tech skills or previous experience needed. Proven results, tested system for generating leads and profits in as little as 30 minutes from right now. Now, I don't know about making money 30 minutes from right now, but if you stay with it, you will make money. I can't guarantee you're going to make it within 30 minutes. But the good thing is this product actually has a 30-day money-back guarantee, so give it a test drive. I think that you will find success. You can already see some of the income proof that they've already gotten just from doing this very same method. They're giving away the front end, and then people are buying the OTOs, and that's money that they're stuffing in. They've got testimonials on this page. It's done for you solution. Takes out all the hard work of you having to come up with a squeeze page, landing page, sales page, and all that kind of stuff. This is all that's already been professionally done. And all you have to do is click on any of these pink buttons on the sales page, which is going to go ahead and send you through checkout. You're going to get my bonuses as well as the vendor bonuses delivered to you right there inside of your Warrior Plus account, which is going to look just like this. All you have to do is say access my affiliate bonuses, and you're going to get all of those bonuses delivered free of charge by picking this up before the countdown timer runs out on my bonus page. Now, your bonuses are going to be this. Bonus number 1, you're going to get bonus page profits. It's going to show you the benefits of having bonuses on your pages so that you get the most and get the people enticed to buy through your link versus somebody else's link. Very powerful tool right here. 30 high quality bonuses is bonus number 2. I'm going to give you 30 high quality bonuses. These are not only information, these are informational products, video tutorials, a lot of stuff. This is not garbage PLR. These are high quality products that have actually been launched on Warrior Plus that you're going to be able to turn around and give these away as lead magnets to continue to nurture and build your email list up. I'm also going to give you list building on steroids, which is going to give you some hidden gems and secrets on how to maximize and get the most out of your email list, because these people will be opted into your email. They will be getting on your list, and you want to know how to keep those visitors and keep your list engaged so that they continue to click on your emails and listen to what you have to say versus being ignored and them kind of going after other emails instead of yours. Super powerful software, or not software, but training tutorial here. Bonus number 4, I'm going to give you a 30-day screenshot consultation. So if you're stuck in any aspects of your business, send me a screenshot, email it to me. I'll straight shortcut you to the money, because I know that there's a lot of newbies out here that are struggling in this business that really just needs a little bit of hand-holding. Send me a screenshot, send me an email, and I'm willing to help you out. Bonus number 5, I'm going to give you this plugin. It's a plugin that's going to allow you to put on your WordPress site. You're going to be able to use this in Facebook groups, fan pages, and timelines. So all these freebies, I know that you know and I know that YouTube does not like links. They don't like affiliate links or anything like that. So what you can do is have this clickable image, and inside the plugin you can put the URL to these giveaway products that Glynn's given you within the giveaway profits, and you can actually promote on Facebook using this plugin. Super powerful. You're also going to get this product right here, affiliate traffic lab. That's going to be bonus number 6. 100% newbie friendly cloud-based web app. Nothing to download. Everything's hosted for you. Insane 3-in-1 marketing suite gets you free traffic, free leads, and sales. It's really going to help you out with this giveaway profits product. You instantly exploit YouTube and Google for traffic. Zero tech skills required. 100% done for you type solution. Easily make $100 per day. This product is sold thousands of copies as well on Warrior Plus. Again, you're going to get all of those free of charge if you decide to pick these up before this countdown timer hits 0. You're also going to get all the vendor bonuses. 500 CPA every day, CPA coffee shop method, $200 per day cash hack, 2,000 CPA traffic jacker, $250 cash magnet, the commission glitch, 6-figure influx, $1 million toolbox, overnight commissions, commission toolbox, pure profit payday, $100 CPA daily, commission profit jack, instant traffic jacker, the commission magnet, the commission blueprint. You can always pause this video if I'm going too fast for you, and you're also going to get a lot of extra video tutorials and extra value in this product just from picking up the front end. Now let's jump in and take a look inside the members area. Again, I know we were already there, but that was very quickly. Let's look here. You get all the training videos, overview, how to set up your done-for-you campaigns, how to create your opt-in campaigns, how to create your social media, conversion booster tools, the bonus builder tools, traffic strategies. Now, very thorough training. Not all these products are on the front end. Some of them are OTO, some of them front end. I'm going to try to go through these the best you can, but don't quote me on the specifics, but I believe I'm giving you the most accurate information as I understand how all of these are working, okay? So you're going to get the training. You can integrate any of those 3 offers that I just showed you on the front end with your autoresponder. Whether you're on SendLane, ActiveCampaign, HubSpot, Aweber, GetResponse, MailChimp, or ConvertKit. Some of the highest or most popular autoresponders it integrates with. You click on Done For You Funnels. What happens is it's going to go ahead and bring you on over to this page right here. This is the 3 funnels that I showed you that you get. You can either view what the opt-in page looks like. This is kind of what the viewer sees. So that's one of the things that you can do here. The other thing is you can just share this link straight with them. So this is what you want to do. You want to cloak this link if you can. If you know how to go to Pretty Links or something and clean this link up before you share it. Or if you get the bonus that I showed you on the clickable images, this would actually be the better way to do it, is just put that link right inside of this plugin, and that way you get a nice clean image. You're not sending them some spamming on the link. They actually click on this image in it, and then it goes to them. So that's the benefit of having this bonus. If you want to edit the actual opt-in form, you can do that too right here. So you come down here, instead of it saying, you know, how one newbie banked $223, whatever, in 24 hours with no prior knowledge, sounds a little unrealistic. I'd probably do $100 a day in $100 in 24 hours instead, but you can play around with that. You come over to the settings and integrate your autoresponder in here. Rechange the tags, paste your URL, your Facebook pixel you can go ahead and put in here and integrate. I mean, those pretty much some pretty good settings you can do there. Click on affiliate info. This is where you can go ahead and just click on any of these links and go ahead and apply for your links. Inside the training videos, they show you exactly how to do that. There's some special things you have to actually write in there when you apply. So go through the training tutorials if you decide to do that. Done for you campaigns 2. This is an OTO number 1. It's going to give you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 extra funnels that you can go ahead and apply for. And obviously you're going to make more money because it's going to give you more lead magnets, and it's going to give you more landing pages and stuff that you're able to do. So affiliate information here, you do the same thing. You come through and you just apply for your links and you start casting away. You can come over here and start a new campaign. If you have the OTO, if you want to do it that way, you can actually just create a new one. If you want to create your own campaign, let's just say new bonus. Just name it that for demonstration purposes. Load opt-in page template. You get to choose any of these templates. Let's just go ahead and click on this one right here. As you see, it's right there, and then you can come down here and edit, you know, whatever you want to go ahead and put there. You can go ahead and upload images, emojis, I mean, HTML, pretty much whatever you want to do there. It's also got the settings over here where you, just like I showed you before, where you can go ahead and integrate it with your autoresponder, put your Facebook pixel codes and all that kind of stuff in there. The other cool thing about this is you can link straight out to Warrior Plus. So if you want, instead of logging into Warrior Plus individually and looking for products, you can actually just log right into the database here. It's taking a minute to pull it all in. Just be patient with me for a second here. Here we go. So if you want to see what the offer URL is and how much you're going to get paid, what the sales page looks like for any of these products, and again, there's an unlimited amount. Look, 720, and it even goes on to next. So I mean, it just has a ton of products loaded in there. If you want to apply for your affiliate link, all you got to do is click right there, and it's going to bring you on over where you can sign in and apply for your affiliate link for these products. Now let's go ahead and talk about prices and OTOs. Again, February 4th at 9 a.m. is Eastern Standard Time is when the product launches, and the cart closes at February 17th, 11:59 p.m. The front end, $17.97, guys, for the 3 giveaway products. I just showed you how highly they're converting. $17, $18. I mean, you're going to get the opt-in page, the sales page, any of the products that the people you give this link away to, they opt in. Any OTOs that are actually presented to them, if they buy them, you get paid. You're going to get all those bonuses that I'm offering you. You're going to get all the vendor bonuses offered to you as long as you claim them before the countdown timer runs out. The price is going to slowly go up over the launch, as most launches do. OTO number 1. I've included the down sales on all these. So this is what you're going to be presented with. Scroll to the bottom, say you're not interested, you'll be presented with these down sales. The vendors don't want us to tell you about these down sales, but I'm trying to give you the best deal possible. So OTO number 1 is going to be the unlimited. That's where you're going to not only be able to get their 5 or 6 additional funnels, but you're also able to go ahead and do some custom funnels as well. So you also have OTO number 2. Done for you funnels. Check that out if you like it. Automated traffic flow. You're going to actually be able to put your Facebook pixel on all of their previous, present, and future products, which means what it's going to do is it's going to warm up your Facebook pixel. So if you ever want to do advertising on Facebook, you already have a warm audience, which is going to drive your traffic costs way down because you're super targeted using the visitors that have hit these guys' sales pages. And it's not just their previous and present sales pages. They're also going to put it on all future products as well. So they show you inside how to make that happen. Conversion boosting tools. This is going to help you get retargeting. So not only are you going to warm up that Facebook pixel on their sales page, but then they're also going to give you some training on how to retarget to get the cheapest advertising cost possible. Bonus page builder. This is a one-time cost, you know, for $37 to get yourself a bonus page builder. So when you're actually doing affiliate products and you want to put bonuses in there and stuff like that, it's actually a pretty good price. And then license rights for $197 regular, or you can go for them down sell for $97, and then you're able to sell this product as it's your own and keep 100% of the profits. I hope this has been a pretty thorough review for you. Again, if you haven't clicked on the link below in this YouTube video already, go ahead and click on the link, come over to the bonus page, click on any of these pink buttons, claim the product and the bonuses before this timer runs out by clicking on any of these pink buttons. Go on over to the sales page, click on any of these pink buttons throughout the sales page, which will go ahead and send you to checkout, to Warrior Plus. Come down here, click on the button where it says access affiliate bonuses. All of my bonuses and the vendors' bonuses will be waiting for you. Thanks for watching this review. Hope you have a good day and good luck to your success.